Septifix, the #1 septic tank treatment on the American market. Worried about your septic tank? Septifix fixes all your septic tank issues, saving you a small fortune every year. What Septifix tablets are, why and how they can help you solve all your septic tank's problems for good. Septifix tabs are septic tank treatment tablets that are solid, environmentally safe, and oxygen-releasing. After you flush them down your toilet, they will easily solve all your septic tank's problems. So why is Septifix way more efficient than any other septic tank treatment? Checkmark. Our tablets raise oxygen levels throughout the volume of water 75% more than with manual aeration, allowing the live bacteria to thrive for up to 90 days in your septic tank. Checkmark. The oxygen is released immediately, up to 10 liters of oxygen per tablet, and it reacts with hydrogen sulfides, the smells, eliminating all unwanted septic smells after just a few days. And so, all your septic tank gets cleaned. So far, over 21,374 septic tank owners are worry-free because of Septifix. Most people have no clue about the danger inside their septic tanks. Anaerobic bacteria do not require oxygen to survive, and according to the new scientific research, they are an indicator that pathogens like typhoid, E. coli, salmonella, and cholera, even viruses, like those that cause polio and hepatitis A, may be present in your septic tank. To test if these claims were 100% true, many independent laboratories have tested the Septifix tablets. And they found that the quality of water released into the soil by septic tank systems using Septifix on a monthly basis was better than the one achieved in most advanced municipal treatment systems. Septifix works for everyone who uses it. Start using Septifix so your septic system runs smoothly and you'll save hundreds every year. I am sure that by now, you know that Septifix is the solution to all your septic tank's problems, and you'll finally be able to enjoy your beautiful home together with your family without worrying about the smell around your septic tank, or how much money a plumber would charge you for pumping your septic tank or to fix possible problems. How much would complete peace of mind about your house be worth to you? Save $150 by choosing the 18-month supply package below, or whichever package works best for you. Claim your exclusive offer while stocks last. Try Septifix on us, and if it doesn't work, you pay nothing. You can get Septifix only on the official website. To assist you, I will leave the link in the description below this video. And remember, you're always backed by the 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. Which means you have nothing to lose. Only a smoothly running septic system to gain. How is Septifix better than other septic tank treatments with bacteria or enzymes? Checkmark. As far as we know, Septifix is the only oxygen-releasing septic tank treatment available on the American market, allowing the live bacteria in our tablets to thrive for up to 90 days in your septic tank. Checkmark. Our Septifix tablets reduces, and in most cases even eliminates the need to pump your septic system, allowing you to save at least $300 every year. Watch this testimonial of one of the first clients.
Hi, my name's Kate, and I just want to share how Septifix fixed my septic tank. So this summer, I noticed that around our septic tank there was a lot of water that didn't smell nice at all. It was hot, so it hasn't rained in a while, and there was just no reason for the water to be there. And also, when I flushed the toilet, I saw bubbles coming up, and since my husband was out of town for 2 weeks because of his job, I panicked and I immediately called the plumbers. So they came, they pumped the septic tank, but they gave me the bad news that they think that my septic tank was clogged. So they gave me 3 alternatives. Since the first 2 involved digging around the septic tank and destroying my beautiful yard, not to mention the fact that the estimate was over 10 grand for each, I ended up choosing the third option, Septifix, which are these 1-inch tablets that contain live bacteria. They release oxygen, and the plumbers told me that they would dissolve all the clogs. Since I wanted 100% sure that they would actually unclog my septic tank as soon as I received them, I flushed the whole box of the 6 tablets. And after just 2 days, the smell was gone. And after around 10 more days, I noticed that all the water that was around the septic area was gone. And it's been 4 months since then. And now I only flush one of these tablets down the toilet each month. And that is it. Just a few weeks ago, my husband actually called the plumbers to have them check the septic tank. And they told him that the Septifix right here, it unclogged the system. And there's nothing we should worry about. So I'm really happy that the bacteria from these tabs here help me solve a potentially very costly problem. So I definitely would recommend these.